Hey, in this video I will share my 2023 recap on YouTube and how much YouTube paid me in 2023. I will also show you how much does YouTube pay for 1,000 views depending on the video category. Okay, at the beginning of 2023 I had 20,000 subscribers, and now I have 9,000 more subs. This is not an amazing result compared to other channels, but still I'm glad you're subscribing despite this text-to-speech style and non-entertaining stuff. Alright, in 2023 I have uploaded 69 videos, most of them are long form, and I got 3.7 million views with almost 60,000 watch hours. And YouTube paid me $2,800 for this. 99% of this money comes from long videos, and only $27 for 800,000 of shorts views. So if you want to earn from YouTube, it's not good idea to make shorts. A funny example, the most watched video on my channel is this short, and the top traffic source is YouTube search, not shorts feed, so there is no point in making this video short. I could make much more than $10 if it wasn't a short, but I recommend to use all types of content if you have a small channel. I got almost 2,000 subs from shorts, and even 29 from community posts. Okay, YouTube pays me almost $1 for 1,000 views, but there are some videos for which YouTube pays more. For example, financial videos with Turkish virtual cards reviews, or trading platforms. They also pay a lot for good programming videos and about social media features. But look at this, you won't get big money from gaming videos, including ones about gaming platforms. And about my audience, most of my viewers are from the US, India, Germany, Poland, Turkey, the UK, and other regions. Almost all my viewers are male. I think you understand why it is. And you are from 18 to 35 years old. 95% of viewers watch my videos without subscription. It's okay if your main traffic source is YouTube search. Okay, leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.